We have some breaking inputs coming in from Mumbai. IIT Bombay acts against March Ramayan play. IIT Bombay student has been fined 1.2 lakh rupees. Fined for controversial Rahovan play. This is a breaking development coming in on a play that was based on Ramayan, which was enacted on the campus of IIT Bombay in March this year itself. The controversial play was called Rahovan and it was deemed derogatory to Ramayan by many. Now the IIT Bombay administration has held a disciplinary committee meeting over the incident and has decided to fine one student 1.2 lakh rupees. We have Arunil joining us on the broadcast. They have also warned of further punishment if this incident is repeated. Arunil.
Well, 8 students from IIT Bombay have been fined. The maximum fine that has been imposed is rupees 1.20 lakh rupees. Some of the junior students have been fined with rupees 40,000. The play was performed in the campus of IIT Bombay in March, as you rightly pointed out. And after that, a debate ignited on social media. The video of the play was put on social media. It led to a debate. Some were defending the controversial play, saying that it is artistic freedom. However, there were many who were speaking against this, saying that in the name of artistic freedom, you cannot hurt our religious sentiments. Immediately, a disciplinary committee was set up by IIT Bombay, and now they have taken a decision to fine these students. We have political parties also reacting to it. BJP's Ram Kadam basically has said that you just cannot hurt our religious sentiments, hurt the sentiments of Hindus in the name of artistic freedom. Whereas other political parties like Uddhav Thackeray Shiv Sena have also echoed the same sentiments.
Right, so political reactions also coming in, and they are also questioning the incident that took place. Further action has also been warned. What is the punishment that the administration is talking about here?
Well, the punishment that has been meted out to these students basically is, Swati, that they will not be allowed in the college hostel. Several such disciplinary
Okay, Arunil, I'll have to interrupt you. We have Kirit Somaiya of the Bharatiya Janata Party joining us. Kirit Somaiya, how do you respond to this? Action has been taken, a fine of 1.2 lakh on one student, and in total 8 have been fined. Warning also given that there could be further punishment if this incident is repeated.
My actual concern that such type of student and such type of activity with a manipulative intention could be undertaken by anybody outside the campus. The student campus, university should not be allowed, must not be tolerated. And what is the punishment and how the punishment can be given is not my jurisdiction. The people are concerned about the type of abuse of liberty within the campus. It should be stopped.
Are you saying, or are you hinting that they were acting on someone else's behest, at someone else's instructions and directions? Is that what you're implying?
See, what they have done is more important. Now, who is behind, how they have done, that is the jurisdiction of that institute. They have to inquire. But this is not a popular measure, demand or anything like that. Somebody, couple of persons comes and try to abuse that type of liberty. Unnecessary to hurt the sentiment.
Okay.
It should be dealt strongly.
Okay, you are saying that there should be stringent punishment. Thank you very much, Mr. Somaiya. Ankit is also joining us from the newsroom, I believe, with details on the decision taken.
Absolutely. This is the IIT Bombay's letter following the disciplinary committee hearing, Swati. So the subject is just simply one word, penalty. And the letter reads, a disciplinary action committee meeting was held on the 8th of May to look into the complaint regarding the play Rahovan performed during Performing Arts Festival on 31st of March 2024. Mr. So-and-so was involved directly in executing the play. Mr. So-and-so attended the meeting. Based on the subsequent discussion, committee recommended the following. 1, the person is fined 1.2 lakh rupees to be paid by July the 30th in the Dean's office. he is also barred from any recognition from any of the Gymkhana awards. Now, therefore, the same person is hereby informed that above mentioned penalty is imposed on him. Any violation of the above condition will lead to further strictures. And so then it is signed, the copy has been sent to the parent of the student along with two deans, the associate dean and the head of the mathematics department as well. And so this is the action taken following the DISCOM hearing in the IIT Bombay over this play.
All right, Ankit, thank you very much for getting us the details. Let me go back to Arunil. Arunil, Kirit Somaiya says stringent action needs to be taken. Clearly, there are many who aren't very happy with the fact that these students were let off with just a penalty.
Well, that is right. Many leaders from the BJP, particularly be it Ram Kadam, Kirit Somaiya, are saying that lesson needs to be taught to these students because in the name of freedom of expression and freedom of speech, how can they hurt our Hindu sentiments? And that is why if a proper lesson is being meted out, it will act as a further deterrent for other students as well. It won't be repeated in the future. This is a reaction that is coming in from the BJP leaders. With respect to the action being taken by the college, a fine of rupees 1.20 lakh is been imposed on one of the students, whereas the other students are also fined to the tune of rupees 40,000. That's what we understand. And other disciplinary action have also been taken by IIT Bombay. Now, whether the penalty should be increased, more stringent measures are to be taken by the college. The responsibility lies with the disciplinary committee.
Right, the responsibility lies with the disciplinary committee. BJP leaders are demanding a stringent action against the students. What we are picking up is that they have been fined, and Ankit also read out the details of the decision taken. The subject or the header was penalty 1.2 lakh, and that was a fine for one student. There are in total 8, Arunil, isn't it, who have been fined. What are you picking up in terms of, the script, the plot, and who really was involved? Because there are questions now also being raised on the mindset and the fact that it was all done to hurt some sentiments.
Well, the students who performed it earlier were defending the play, saying that it is their artistic freedom, a feminist version of a play which was based on, loosely based on Ramayana was being done. And in that, the characters of Lord Ram, Sita were basically displayed in derogatory manner according to the people who were objecting to it. The play was put on social media immediately after it was performed in March.
All right, Arunil, again I'll have to interrupt you. We have Mr. Anand Dubey of the UPT joining us on the broadcast. Anand Dubey जी, बहुत-बहुत शुक्रिया आपका हमारे साथ जुड़ने के लिए. जानकारी मिल रही है कि स्टूडेंट्स के खिलाफ एक्शन लिया गया है पेनल्टी लगाकर. और थोड़ी देर पहले हम किरीट सोमैया से बात कर रहे थे, जिनका कहना है कि स्ट्रिंजेंट एक्शन होना चाहिए, इतना भर काफी नहीं है और सख्त होनी चाहिए कार्रवाई. आपके क्या विचार है?
बिल्कुल होनी चाहिए. जिस प्रकार हमारे धर्म को लेकर, हमारे देवी देवताओं को लेकर एक मजाक बनाया जा रहा है, उपहास किया जा रहा है, ये हमें बिल्कुल बर्दाश्त नहीं है. आपको फ्रीडम ऑफ स्पीच के मतलब कुछ भी करेंगे आप, मतलब आपको अगर आजादी दी गई है कि आप अपनी बात रख सकें, आप लोकतंत्र संविधान को माने, तो आप कुछ भी कर डालेंगे. आप ऐसे क्यों नहीं अपने माता पिता का अपमान करते हैं अपने घर में? आप उनको अपमानित करिए ना रोज सुबह उठकर और शाम को. ये हमारे देवी देवता, हमारे माता पिता समान है, ये हमारे जीवन है, हम इनसे प्रेरणा लेते हैं, इनको देखकर हम छोटे से बड़े होते हैं और इनके लिए हमारे मन में क्या एक प्रकार से प्रेम है.
जब भी इस तरह की किसी प्ले की, किसी मूवी की बात आती है तो एक क्रिएटिव एक्सप्रेशन, फ्रीडम ऑफ एक्सप्रेशन का आर्ग्यूमेंट जरूर सामने आता है.
नहीं, तो वही मैं कह रहा हूँ कि आप मत करिए ऐसा. और ये जो स्टूडेंट्स हैं, ये तो भारत के भविष्य है, लेकिन इन स्टूडेंट्स के ऊपर जो इनके शिक्षक बैठे हैं, जो इनके कॉलेज के ट्रस्टी बैठे हैं, उन लोगों की जिम्मेदारी बनती है कि ऐसे स्टूडेंट को समझाएं. अगर वो कुछ गलती करते हैं तो उनको एक बार बताएं, लेकिन अगर वो फिर भी नहीं माने तो कड़ी से कड़ी सजा का प्रावधान हो, उनको रेस्ट्रिकेट किया जाए, इस कॉलेज के ऊपर कार्रवाई की जाए.
आप कह रहे हैं कि और कड़ी सजा होनी चाहिए. थैंक यू वेरी मच आनंद दुबे for joining us in the broadcast with your views. We also have a reaction coming in from Ram Kadam of the BJP. Listen in.
अभिव्यक्ति की आजादी के और कला के नाम पर क्या देवी देवताओं का विडंबन किया जा सकता है? किसी श्रद्धा और आस्था के साथ खिलवाड़ की जा सकती है? ऐसे मामले में यदि कोई कॉलेज का विद्यार्थी हो या कोई फिल्म का कलाकार या दिग्दर्शक हो, उन पर कड़ी कार्रवाई होने की आवश्यकता है। और अब जो मामला सामने आया है मुंबई से आईआईटी कॉलेज का, वो बेहद गंभीर है। यदि छात्र इस प्रकार की हरकत उनकी शिक्षा के आयु में करे तो आगे क्या होगा भविष्य? इस पर और कड़ा से कड़ा कानून बने, यह समय की मांग है।
All right, so that was Ram Kadam of the BJP who was demanding a stringent law. Arunil, Ram Kadam says there should be a law to deal with such situations where people, in the name of creative liberty and creative expression, target a particular community and hurt sentiments.
Well, that is right. Basically, the Ram Kadam of the BJP is demanding a law at the state government level as well as at the central government level. And not only restricting the issue to college plays, but also basically taking it to the series, web series that have been made on OTP platforms or films that have been made. Basically saying that nobody in the garb of freedom of expression or their freedom of opinion should hurt the sentiments of Hindus, because it is utterly wrong, and if somebody is doing that, strict action needs to be taken against them. There should be law which basically details how the action will be taken, how penalty can be imposed.
All right, Arunil, thank you very much for getting us the details. We'll keep coming back to you for more reactions, more updates. For the moment, we're slipping into a very short break. A lot more is lined up on the other side.